Hi, Sarah here. Are you looking to make a banner for your YouTube channel? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to create your banner in Canva, free and quick. Don't worry if you've never created a banner before. It's easy to create one in Canva, and let's get started. Let's go to canva.com. Once you're in canva.com, let's come down here to templates. And in templates, come way down here to YouTube channel art. And there's a lot of templates here that you can be able to use. But in this tutorial, we are going to start ours from scratch. Now let's go to create a blank YouTube channel art. Once we are here, we are going to go to elements. In elements here, let's pick this free element, this rectangle. And let's reduce the height of this rectangle to 423. The height to 423, and let's get the width to 1546. 1545, it's good. And our height is at 423. Let's make sure this element is centered. And let's get our second element. Reduce it to 423, the same height as the first one. The height should be the same as the first one, which is 423. Our width for the second element should be 1855. So let's reduce this to 1855. $1856 is not too far, and let's make sure that this is centered. Now let's come to transparency, and let's reduce the transparency so we can be able to see what is at the back. Most people are using their cell phones all the time, so most of the important information you should put here in the middle, because that's where it's visible on cell phone. The majority of the people can be able to see it on their cell phone. But everything you put outside here, it's only going to be visible on tablet, and everything out here is going to be visible on TV. So we are going to get a ruler to use as a guide so we can remove these rectangles but still be able to put our information that should go on the cell phone area, tablet area, and TV area. Let's get the ruler so we have a guide. If you are in Canva and you cannot see your ruler, just come here to File and come to Show Ruler. If it was taken out like that, if you come here, you click File and just click on the Show Ruler, and then the ruler will automatically show up here. So let's remove the rectangles now that we already put for us a guide in place, so we know that all the space here is going to be safe on cell phone. Anything we put here, it's going to be safe on tablet, and anything we put here is going to be safe on TV. So let's take away these rectangles. Just click and click delete and delete that. Now cell phone area, tablet, and TV. We are going to put the important information we wanted here in the cell phone save area. Let's add a background color to our banner. Just click here and come to colors, to background colors, and let's pick this as our background color. And let's go to text, pick heading, and type Saramodo. I'm going to type Saramodo. You can type whatever your heading is going to be. And I'm going to resize this and move it up here. And I'm going to come here to the text area and take a subheading. Let's resize this. I'm going to type in this subheading area, helping you grow your business with online videos. And I'm going to move this right here and resize it just a little. And I'm going to come here to text colors. Let's start by this. Let's change the text color. I'm going to pick that. And let's change this text color too. And let's change the font. You can change the font to whatever font you like. This is my favorite font. And let's come to the subheading again and take another subheading. Let's move it down here. I'm going to type in this subheading area, new videos weekly. I'm going to change the font for this. And I'm going to just expand it. And I'm going to need one more element so I can put this text here in it. Let's resize this. And I'm going to highlight this so that we can have it as one element. Once you highlight it, come to group. Now, if you group it, you can be able to move it and resize it just as one. If we think that this is too big, and we can just click on it and resize. Now we have Saramodo helping you grow your business with online videos. And we have new videos weekly. So if somebody comes to our YouTube channel and they see that, they know what we do. And that is the purpose of your banner, so that people will know what you do and when to expect your new videos. Our new videos will be weekly. We have one video every week. So now that we have that, we are going to add one more thing, which is going to be a picture. So if you have a picture already, upload it in your Canva, that's okay. If you don't have picture that you already uploaded, come up here to upload and then upload media, and it will take you to your computer so that you can be able to upload the pictures that you have from there into Canva and use them for your YouTube channel art. I already have a picture here that I'm going to use. But if you don't have a picture ready, just go to upload media, and you can be able to upload your picture. If you did not remove the background yet, you can be able to remove the background in Canva with the paid version of Canva, which is the Canva Pro. But if you don't have that, you can sign up for their 1 month trial, and you can be able to still remove your background in Canva. Or you can also remove your background in other website outside Canva and upload a ready picture that you've already removed the background, like this one here. I do have Canva Pro. I can be able to remove the background of my pictures in Canva, but this one I've already removed it somewhere else before. And yeah, let's click on that picture and resize it and move it here. If you have additional information that you would like to add, you can be able to add it here in the tablet area. And if you still have more information, you can add it on your TV area. But for the most part, this one is sufficient, because this one can be visible in cell phone, tablet, and TV. So yeah, that's how easy it is to make your banner in Canva. I'm going to name my banner I'm gonna name it banner M. And you just come here to download, and once you click download, and yeah, it's downloading. That's how quick it is. It's done downloading. Now once I go to my downloads, I will be able to find a banner M, and I can be able to upload it right into my YouTube channel. If you find any value in this video, like and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you on the next one.